Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with HomeSmart, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with HomeSmart, start by visiting their official website. Once on the home page, look for the Contact Us section, usually located at the bottom of the page. Click on the Contact Us link to access the contact options. You'll find various ways to reach out, such as phone numbers, email addresses, and a contact form. If you prefer to call, take note of the customer service number listed. Make sure to have your questions ready before making the call. For email inquiries, click on the provided email link and compose your message. Be clear and concise in your email to ensure a quick response. If you opt to use the contact form, fill in the required fields accurately. Provide as much detail as possible in your message to help the team assist you better. Once you've completed the form, click the Submit button to send your inquiry. Next, check your email for a confirmation of your submission, if applicable. HomeSmart may respond to your inquiry via your preferred contact method. Keep an eye on your inbox for their reply, as response times may vary. If you have urgent issues, consider following up with a phone call. For additional support, visit the FAQ section on the website. This section contains answers to common questions and issues. If you need assistance with a specific service, navigate to that services page. You can often find direct support options related to those services. Lastly, consider connecting with HomeSmart on their social media platforms. These channels can provide updates and assist with your inquiries in real time. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to connecting with HomeSmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.